guys, I'm going to show you the process of putting together my Nano Cola headset for my D.Va cosplay. So I have all the pieces there. I'm using super glue to adhere the pieces, and then there are some that actually need to have the toothpicks to be able to add stability. The accents for this particular headset were yellow. So I used a bright yellow acrylic paint and painted over the black primer that I had sprayed everything with. I believe I used black primer. I might just be painting right on the 3D print. I did learn a pretty cool trick from one of my friends that if you use like a heat gun or a hairdryer to kind of help nudge your acrylic paint to dry a little faster, it definitely speeds up the painting process. And it was just a really cool trick, and I definitely have used it religiously since then. So, still painting. It's always difficult to figure out how you're gonna hold a piece once you have paint all over it without getting like your fingerprints or messing up on some of the paint. Still painting. I think this was the third or fourth coat that I finally decided was plenty and that I had a good color going on. Putting the two pieces together, it took a little bit of finagling to do, and I definitely super glued my fingers a couple of times. But getting those yellow pieces to stay in there was actually a lot more difficult than I thought it was gonna be. I can't tell you how many times I got super glue on me when I was working on this. It was a lot. Once they were both done, I added another piece. I think this printed in about a dozen different pieces. Each one of those is about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different pieces, so more than a dozen. So I had to chip paint off so that it would fit properly into the little square hole that it was meant to be in. And once I got it in there, it was like wedged in there, which is great. The durability is always wanted, but getting it in there was a little bit difficult. When I assembled this, I did do it on a live stream on my YouTube, and hoping that I got those little transparent plastic bits on there straight, because once they were on, they really were on. If you really liked this video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube. Go follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and go like my Facebook page. All of your support means the world to me. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.